Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Critics Hub.
So, let's now talk about Let's Play Episode 4. Over a cup of coffee, it was quite entertaining to watch, right? So far, i-deep dive pa rin natin. Pace! Yung pacing, yes, ano eh. It's what you would expect from a slice of life anime, in which this anime is one. Pero may konting tension. I mean, serious tension, ha? Nung final third. Okay, nung final third ng episode. So, do I have complaints? Wala. Wala tayong dapat ireklamo sa pacing ng episode na to. Because, it really, what you call this? It really guided me through the story. It made me understand the story. All right. If you were to watch this for the very first time, and you started with episode 4, magigess nyo na agad kung ano yung pinagmulan nito ng buong storya. So overall, guys, there's nothing to complain about this episode's pacing. I am totally satisfied with it. Now, for the 3 sequences that we collectively call the flow. First gear shift was when Marshall went through older comments on supposedly Sam's engineer profile. Right there and then, he realized he made well, in real life, the biggest mistake any content creator will ever make. Why do I call this a gear shift? Simple lang. It is quite relatable, especially if you're a content creator like me. Kasi magre-review ka ng, like now, I review animes. I also do product reviews on my main YouTube channel. Kung wala kang hawak na ebidensya, your review is shit. Okay? Your review will be, basically, your review is like a computer. Garbage in, garbage out. He was irresponsible, and he realized it in a heartbeat sa sequence na to. That's why I called it a gear shift. Kasi dito nagsimula what you call this? Yung bangayan nila ni Sam, although the results were a bit hilarious. Pero bottom line, malalim yung pinag-ugatan. So dito nagsimula lahat yun. Second gear shift was when Charles started telling Sam his story about about an old fencing buddy of his. Well, unahin ko na, bakit ko tinawag na gear shift dito? Because in the final sequence, na-check out ang storya niyang to. And I tell you guys, watch I've been telling you guys for ages na. Watch an episode from start to finish para maintindihan ninyo ng maigi ang storya. This gear shift resulted in the final sequence. Mamaya, ano natin yan? In Sam's eyes, na totoo sinasabi ng kanyang coworker about this guy. Yung pala kakilala rin ni Sam. Alright, teaser ko na yon. Which now leads to our third and final gear shift. Dumrambay lang sa usual hangout ni Sam si Marshall. Bumili siya ng kape. And Angela, the moment Marshall dropped Sam's name, ayun, na-recognize siya ni Angela, she tried punching him. She tried punching his lights out right there and then. No-brainer of a gear shift, folks. Kasi, number 1, dito na malalaman kung gaano ka-protective kay Sam ang kanyang mga kaibigan. Okay, talagang masasabi mong barkada, talagang mga kaibigan niya lahat ito. Because behind her back, they are standing up for her. Okay? So, talaga mga tunay na kaibigan ito. Pero, in a rather extreme way, si Angela, talagang, she really took it personally. Yung ginawa ni Marshall kay Sam online. And, it also led to, of course, it also boosted the gravity of the final sequence. Hindi lang yung second gear shift. Itong third gear shift na to ang talagang nagpatibay. Because si Marshall pala at si Charles, yung immediate superior ni Sam sa company ng father niya, eto pa rin sinasabi ni Charles na dati niyang fencing buddy, si Marshall, whose real name is Ben Lawson. If that does not make you, if that's not a fantastic setup for you for the next episode, I don't know what is. And the third and final gear shift boosted the boosted the gravity a bit, boosted the implications. Yan lang yan. Pero guys, will it be enough for you to totally appreciate, if not understand this episode? Nope. Tatlong eksena lang po ito. Watch it from start to finish. Kahit ulitin mo ba, kailangan ko pa rin sabihin. Watch an episode from start to finish para lalo nyo maintindihan ang storya. Kahit hindi nyo naumpisahan ng anime na to. Alright? Plot-wise, nag-isip malinis yung plot, guys! Right now, hindi ko talaga makita na kung lalagyan ito ng side story or backstory, it'll still be an entertaining episode. Nope! An absolutely clean plot like this will make you understand where this anime is going to now. Alright? So, ako personally, nagkaroon na ako ng idea kung saan papunta na ang istoryang ito. So, the absolutely clean plot will make you look forward to the next episode. Kasi, medyo, sabihin natin na bitin, pero mabigat yung final sequence. May kabigatan because of the last two sequences within this gear shifts. Yeah, you'll only realize that with an absolutely clean plot. So overall, guys, napakalinis ng plot ng episode na to. No side stories or backstories, not even an explainer sequence. Pero, I don't know. There was one backstory sequence, pero habang ninanarrate ni Link, it did not feel like it. Alright? It did not feel like it. So, pace, flow, and plot all came together, and para sa akin, guys, this is the anime's best episode so far. So,